In his Stabrook News column, former Speaker of the National Assembly Ralph Ramkarran Senior Counsel noted that, like our appeal system, the country's criminal justice system is in a state of collapse. According to Ramkarran, these systems do not deliver justice to Guyanese citizens in a reasonable time, as provided for in the Constitution. He noted that accused persons are tried years after they are committed to trial, while appeals now take roughly 6 years to be heard. Quote, "The state of our judicial system was not created by a natural disaster. It is man-made, and there is no hint that any man-made solution will ever be entertained," end quote, Ramkarran said. The senior counsel posited that the High Court had 12 appointed judges, despite the full complement being 20. As for the Court of Appeal, there are only 3 judges out of a complement of 5. The full complement for the Court of Appeal has been recently increased to 9. At the recent seminar, which included judges from the Caribbean Court of Justice, Appeal Judge Justice Joanne Barlow said that shorter trial periods can only be attained if the number of judicial officers and support staff are increased. She said, quote, "It is by the grace of the Almighty that we manage to keep the system afloat," end quote. For an increase in judicial officers, the Judicial Service Commission JSC will need to be reconvened. The JSC has yet to be reconvened since 2017. When the Alleyne-led administration took office, it had said it would reappoint the JSC, but this is yet to happen. As such, this has allowed Ramkarran to conclude that the authorities do not care and have no intention of fixing the systems. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, Shemar Alleyne.